Hello friends, welcome to my channel Finance Eco India. We will do rapid earnings review today. We are quickly breaking down the Q1 financial year 26 performance of two major IT service companies, Wipro and LTIMindtree. The quarter spanning April to June 2025 has been a telling period for the IT sector, revealing how companies are navigating global tech spending amidst ongoing macroeconomic uncertainties. Let's get straight to the numbers and what they mean for investor. Before that, please subscribe to my channel Finance Eco India. Let's first analyze Wipro, which announced its Q1 financial year 26 result on July 17. The story here is one of resilience in profitability despite muted revenue growth. Wipro reported consolidated revenue of around Rs 22,130 crore, a modest 0.8% year-on-year increase. In dollar terms, revenue was $2.58 billion, showing a slight sequential decline. However, the standout was their consolidated net profit, which jumped a robust 10.9% year-on-year to Rs 3,330 crore. This strong bottom line performance highlight effective cost management. Operating margin for their IT service segment also expanded to 17.3%, and 80 basis points improvement from last year. Now, how did they compare to analyst expectation? Analysts have largely anticipated subdued revenue with forecasts ranging from flat to a modest 2% year-on-year growth. Wipro's actual revenue was largely in line with those expectations or slightly above the more pessimistic forecast. But on the profit front, Wipro clearly beat estimates with their Rs 3,330 crore net profit landing at the higher end of analyst projections. A critical highlight for Wipro was the sharp increase in deal bookings. Total deal bookings soared to around $4.97 billion, a substantial 50.7% jump year-on-year. Large deal booking along surged by an impressive 131% to Rs 2.67 billion. Wipro's CEO Srini Pillai noted that clients are prioritizing efficiency and cost optimization to macro uncertainty, and Wipro's strategy led to these large deal closures. He also emphasized AI's central role in client strategies. For Q2 financial year 26, Wipro has provided conservative guidance, projecting IT service revenue to range from a 1% decline to a 1% growth in constant currency. However, management expects optimism for the second half of financial year 26, anticipating a stronger performance driven by his robust pipeline. For investors, Wipro current revenue is soft, partly due to weakness in Europe, but the massive deal win provides a strong foundation for future growth. The focus should be on how these deals convert into revenue in the coming quarter. So friends, now let's discuss LTIMindtree, which also reported its Q1 financial year 26 result on July 17th. LTIMindtree delivered a solid performance, showcasing consistent growth and a confident outlook. The company reported consolidated revenue of Rs 9,841 crore, marking a robust 8% year-on-year growth. In USD terms, revenue reached $1,153.3 million, up 5.2% year-on-year. Consolidated net profit saw an impressive 11% year-on-year rise to Rs 1,255 crore. EBITDA margin also improved sequentially to 14.3%. Comparing this to analyst expectations, LTIMindtree net profit of Rs 1,254 crore beat the consensus estimate of Rs 1,194 crore. While revenue was a marginal miss against estimate of 9,841 crore versus 9,855 crore. Their EBITDA and margin both exceed expectations. Operationally, LTIMindtree showed positive momentum, Client concentration risk decreased, with the top 5 clients now accounting for a smaller percentage of revenue, and the number of clients contributing over $20 million increased. They also achieved an improved utilization rate of 88.1%, reflecting efficiency. LTIMindtree CEO Venu Lambu described Q1 as a promising start, highlights broad-based growth and progress on strategic priorities. Management expressed confidence in achieving double-digit growth in Q1 26 and anticipates margin improvement from Q1 financial year 26 onward. The company is also actively leveraging AI, including in proprietary AI framework, Pilex AI, and filing patent in the AI domain. For investors, LTIMindtree shows strong immediate momentum and a confidently near-term outlook. Their focus on client diversification and strategic AI investment position them well for sustained growth. In summary, both Wipro and LTIMindtree are navigating a challenging IT landscape with distinct strategies. Wipro is building a strong future pipeline through large deal wins, while LTIMindtree demonstrate more immediate, broad-based growth and operational efficiency. The common thread is the persuasive emphasis on AI, which is becoming central to client strategy for both efficiency and innovation. For investors, a selective approach is key. Focus on companies that demonstrate strong execution, effective deal conversion, and strategic positioning in high-growth areas like AI. The long-term potential remains strong for IT firms that can adopt and innovate effectively. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Finance India. Thank you and Jai Hind.